All right, we're going to take a quick look at one of the easiest ways you can use your KV Core website to start generating leads right away. So you get logged in. This is what your page is going to look like every time you log in. You're going to go right down to Lead Engine. Within Lead Engine, you're going to use the IDX squeeze page. You do have to click and select your subdomain first. If you just hit Start Building without picking that, it'll give you an error. So pick your domain, start building. So in my example, I'm going to use 27601. This is zip code for downtown Raleigh. I know this market. I know I'm going to find stuff with this search. I'm going to put in 350,000 is the max list price. You can set a minimum list price. You can set square footage. You could run a search that shows homes with more than an acre of land in whatever, Wake Forest. You've got various options down here that you can use to customize this search to show results that you think are going to be appealing in the places that you're going to post this link. Over here, you can set things, you can identify the source if you know you're going to post this on Facebook. You can add hashtags. You can, add a Facebook cover photo. All of this stuff is more advanced things that you can do. And if you want to do those things, you can watch a more advanced training video. But if you just want to get a link, get it out there so that it's putting listings in front of people to potentially generate leads, create your search over here, click Generate Link. And then you can use either the short link or the direct link. It's going to create this page with dynamic search results. When I say dynamic search results, I mean that as new properties come on the market, as homes sell, it will recognize that and update the list that shows up on here. So again, once you got this link, post it anywhere you like. People will click it and see these results. Those results will come into your smart CRM and you are all set.